Make way! Oh my god! Yes! Yes! Hi guys, we're back with another video. Today we're doing some more Lego City Undercover, and I've just fixed the camera angle because it wasn't that good, so just fixed it up. So yeah, we are back playing Lego City Undercover. Can't get enough of this game. Okay then, so yeah, today's topic is we're going to be doing some helicopter tricks. Go around! Just like last time. That guy just walked into the booth thing there. Go around me! Okay, fine, you're not going to be fine, I was going to seriously! I'll tell the truth! Move! Move! I keep trying to jump it. Alright then. I'm going to the best possible place to do it. So just let me quickly forward the recording for this. We're back in the park because the best place, the only place where I know where to get the helicopter from is definitely here. Oh yes, I remember this. Definitely remember it. Woo! Right then. Well, one, I think we went too far. So, yeah, I don't think that jump was necessary because the place I'm trying to go is like right here, and it was stupid to do the jump. Oh my god, parking spot! Yes! Legendary! You know what, I'm bored of this. There we go. I'm bored of not being able to fly. Taking my powers away from me. Alright then. I'm making a quick decision here. Very quick. Yes! The Noah ship. Here we go. Yes! I love doing this. Hi everybody. Do the jump. Oh, it's a tough jump. Oh, going down. Chop down the trees. Oh, come on. Do another jump. Okay, maybe not. Let's try this again. Doing another jump. Jump super high. You dumb cars. You think you have what it takes to stop me now? I'm the best! Yeah. I heard there's sharks in these waters, so let's not go near them. You can go to really high places with this, and you can actually go to places that you can't normally go to. Because, like, say if we went to this island, usually you'd need to catch that boat. Because you can't just go there. But because of this, I can go over there, but I can't actually land because there's no helicopter Stopters. I like saying that, that's the title of the video. This is, I don't know. I actually forgot what this was for in the game. But, yeah. It's a nice vacation spot. Or Highland. Oh, that's dangerous. I do not want to go too close to there. Alright, where next? I can have an explorer on Albatross. I don't know where that is though. It doesn't even let me see it. And then you know what, I've had enough of this. I'm really enjoying this. Just like last time. Hello everyone. Some of you guys may recall my first Lego City Undercover video. That was like, I kept trolling everyone in the car, in the boats, because I crashed into their boats and they were on my boat and I was trying to knock them off. It was so funny. If I remember, I'll link it in the description for you guys to watch. And I was just here. On the forwarded section, I was just here. I've done like a full rotation simply with this. Legendary. I want to see if I can explore some of this place. I don't think the game lets you explore up here, but I really want to. So the game should. This is the best place in the world. Right, we're going up. Going up. I can't go up, it's the max height. Help! Help! Ah! Help! Trapped. The only way out is this way. Yeah! Oh, I was close. All I wanted to do was head on to this bit. Why can't I? I wanted to go here. The game is so mean to us and doesn't let us. So it's so mean. I'm going to cry in my room now. Oh, hello everyone. Nothing to see here. The sad thing is that you can't just get out of this at any time. You have to land at a helicopter stopter or helicopter stop. So here, this is kind of cool. So let's deploy the landing. Landing sequence. How come I can't actually use the trampoline thing? Right then, let's explore up here. You don't think that can stop there? No! Yes! Why is it telling me to put it somewhere? I want to ride it. Yes! I'm not putting this in the cannon. I'm moving around. This is so cool. Make way! Oh my god! Yes! Yay! Oh no! I feel so bad for the piggy. Alright, let's go now. right of way. You can class me as a pedestrian, but I'm going the speed as cars do in this game. So, yeah, take that. According to the game, I'm going the wrong way, but I'm not. I'll go everywhere with my pig. I'll go everywhere. John will be so proud of me. Right, I'll leave it there for a bit. Just quickly get this. Right, ready, Mr. Pig. Here we go. Oh no, there's another piggy cannon around here. Not following any rules. I won't listen to a single soul. I won't do it. How come pigs can't jump ramps? Oh, that's a really strong pig. What the heck? I wish I was this pig. I go everywhere with my pig, come on. You know what, pig? I'll meet you at the top, alright? I gotta see what's up here. What? I'll be quick, don't worry. No! No! Oh my god, legend. I am legend. Take that. No. Just like old times. Right, pig, I'm coming. It's a good piggy. I'm not listening to you, I'm not. There's a cannon right there. Pigs, I feel bad for you, so I'm not going to take you to where you're supposed to be. Because you're not supposed to be there. This is abusing piggy human nature, even though they're not humans. It's not right for these pigs. They make their own lives on the farm. They don't listen to the farmers anyway, so I don't know why they're in the farm. But they listen. And they do what they want. Piggies have free will just like us. And you can't force them into cannons. They do what they want. Alright? And I realise I've been talking a bit quiet. What's that? Piggy? Piggy, what's this? Oh wait, spiders have the right to be free as well. I'll let you guys do what you need. Oh wait, no wait. I have a better idea. How is he dodging my attacks like this? How can I not destroy rocks? Alright, that's enough. Come on, piggy, let's head out. Actually, to make this more realistic, I'm going to do this. Yes! I should rename this video to Ride with the Piggy. But I can't. Actually, post in the comments if I should rename this video. It's possible. Post in the comments if I should rename it to Ride with the Pig. Or give me any other suggestions. Okay, what's that, pig? Stay there, stay there. How come pigs can do that? I can't really. Oh, yes. Whoa. Pigs have free will. Let's go. Why do anyone need cars these days? I'm a farmer. You have the right to remain silent. And you have the right to not go around me. For the rest of the day. No! Oh no. No, there's more piggy cannons. Piggy, don't listen. We have free will. Come on. Let's avoid them for the rest of our lives. Okay, one sec. Humans have free will as well, Mr. Piggy. So give me some time. Quickly do this. Wait, is that it? That is it. Okay, great. Alright, let's go, Mr. Pig. Not listening to them in any way, shape or form. Let's ride across and see if we can meet your pals. Where are the pigs? What kind of farm doesn't have pigs? Oh, this looks like a job for me.
What is that smell?
Because I just put out fire, you douche. Hello, horses. You are such a strong pig. Oh my god, yes. What? How does that kill him? This is perfect. It's like my own personal spa. Are you kidding me? Help! I'm trapped! Oh, there we go. Okay, seriously though, where are the pigs? Are they in here because it's telling us to
I'm
go?
gonna make sure my pigs don't escape again by putting a new latch on their pen.
No!
And taking away their lock-picking tools.
No, Piggy! No, this isn't funny! No! Oh no! Mr. Pig! You will forever be my best friend. Hello. You look awfully familiar. I could say the same, I mean, I have a chicken too. Well, now that that's done and dusted, it's time to take the horse! I'm gonna make this quick, guys, because I've run out of time on run out of storage on my tablet. So there's one last thing I need to do. Have a wonderful life, horse. No. Hey! Stop. In the name of horses. They have free will too.
This is an emergency.
Oh my god! Oh no! No! How? How could this happen?